eat that. It's not a food, it's a paper, Bilikoy. Okay? Okay, so I will teach you. You cannot eat that. It's not a food. Okay? Okay, so let's read na lang. Let's read na lang a paper of magazine. And I will teach you what is pictures. What are foods here in the Philippines. Okay. Let's learn na lang. Let's learn. Okay. Okay, I will teach you. You don't hold, okay? Because you eat and you put that in your mouth. It's so bad. Because it's not a food. Okay, I will teach you. Okay. What is this? Okay, let's start with this one. What is this? Okay, this is fish. Okay, fish. Fish. You say fish. This is like sardines fish. Salmon. That is salmon fish. You know, like when you know that when people say fish be with you, like in the mass, in the misa of the pare, that's fish. Oh, you listen to your mother. You always listen to your mother and your father because they are mother-father. Okay? Okay. So you want to hold this one. You hold this one now. Oh. But I will still teach you, okay? That's not your foods. You don't put that in your mouth because that's pepper. That's pepper. Don't put that in your mouth. Okay, let's learn vegetable. Vegetable or gulay. You say gulay, that's vegetable. Let us start with this one. What is this? This is talong. In English, that is eggplant. You say eggplant? What is the color of eggplant? It's violet. Violet. Like if you are already married and then your asawa make bugbog you, your face will be violet. Because your face is bugbog like that. So, your face is violet. Okay? Like talong. Or like Tito Boy. When Tito Boy joined the fraternity, what's that? Alpha Gamma yan. I don't know the name. Basta, it is fraternity. And then, Tito Boy was followed by stick. And then his legs are like this color, this violet. And Tita Ne is very, oh my God, very angry. Because Tito Boy was very, very sick. Because of his leg like this color. It was very masakit. Okay, this is kimchi vegetable. Kimchi gulay, pechay. You call it pechay also, okay? No. I am teaching you. You listen to your mother, okay? Listen to your mother and your father because they are your mother, father. Okay, okay. So, can you see this? These are cake. You say cake? I don't know. This one is cheesecake and the other one is chocolate cake. Okay, you want